Hi, welcome to the monthly Mathnasium math movie. It's January 1st, Happy New Year. We're gonna jump right to it because we have actually two special guest stars this month. So let's jump right to Student of the Month. I'm just gonna go right to it. I'm gonna name it. Student of the Month for January is, drumroll please, Arjun Krishnan. Yay, Arjun. We've been looking at you. You're awesome. A lot of the instructors think you're super polite. You've got great manners. You work really, really, really hard. You get a lot of work done. So that's the first thing. And some other words that were said about Arjun: bright and joyful. That's kind of nice, and not bright necessarily in the smart sense, but just the way he is. When we did our charity drive in November, he donated more than 100 cards to Sacred Heart. He'd been saving over a year and a half for that and dumped a whole bunch of cards, more than 100 to charity. We doubled that, so it was like $200 that Sacred Heart got, all because of Arjun. He's cool. What else did I say? Did I say impeccable manners and works really hard? So we love having Arjun around. He's a bright, shining person that comes into the center. He's an excellent mathlete, and he's going to be our Student of the Month. He gets 25 punch card. This is our old style 25 punch card. He's going to have his suitable for framing at home on his wall, and we're going to stick this up in our window for 2 years. And dun, da, da, Student of the Month yard sign, so all the neighbors know how cool Arjun is. All right. Next, fun stuff. So it's we're starting the new year. We just had a day off today, so that's kind of nice. That's why I'm in here working. We're gonna start something for the new year called Matholutions. So you might have heard of a New Year's resolution that a lot of grown-ups try to resolve to do something different or better that year. And New Year's Day is the day that they normally do it. So what we're gonna do with all of our mathletes is we're gonna encourage you all to come up with a matholution. So it might be to complete a certain number of pages each day, or to get a bunch of mastery checks done. We're gonna, they can put as a goal a topic to learn or a topic to get better at. So we just want everybody to get in the habit of thinking ahead, try to set a goal, try to track that progress, and hopefully you'll make your goal and set a new one. So that's what we're gonna be doing this month. We also have coming up a bingo day. Those are fun. We're gonna be doing, there's the bingo day. We're gonna be making snowflakes. That's a nice geometry thing. It's kind of fun. We'll make sure that we do 6-pointed snowflakes, not the cheesy 8-pointed ones that you might be doing at school. That was mean. We're gonna do Sudoku at the end of the month. That's a fun, mathy kind of a game. It's not really math, but numbers. And then just a preview coming up in February, on February 2nd, which is Groundhog Day, we're gonna be doing a make your own mystery bead bottle to take home. It's not gonna be this big, but we'll be doing that. That's gonna be Friday evening, probably after we close up. So that's what's coming up in January, and a bunch of stuff in February. Don't have time for it. Gotta move on because I got a fun thing to do. We've got in the reward cabinet, I bought a whole bunch of these. These are surprise boxes. You don't know what's inside. They cost 10 punch cards. It's guaranteed to be at least worth 10 bucks. And a lot of you have been kind of scared to spend 10 bucks on something you don't know what's inside. They're all different. But we have a special treat today. One of our students is gonna be sharing with us his amazing unboxing video. This is gonna be Abir. He's gonna be showing you what he got inside his video.
Hello everybody, my name is Abir, and I will be going over this surprise inside box. I'm the only one who's bought it so far, so I'm gonna just show you what's inside. Let's just start with the very basic things. There are 4 of these things that you can measure your medicine in, or if you want water. I don't really know what to use it for. Next, there's these 2 sanitizer bottles. They don't have any sanitizer in them, so you can just open them up and put water in them or actual sanitizer, or whatever you really want. They're just like spritz bottles. Now moving on to something fun, we have this top. It's pretty cool. This is something you might actually want to keep. Not give it to someone else. Maybe you want to keep this. And I'm just gonna attempt to spin this. It makes that cool pattern. Anyways, I'm gonna wait for it to stop spinning. I'm not gonna wait for this to spin. Back to not as fun stuff. We have this digital thermometer. It's like I haven't opened it yet, but you just put it on your tongue and it's better than normal thermometers. It's more accurate. And this is also a gift you could give to your dad. I don't know what this is, so you know, I can't really tell you what it is. It's a brush set. What is this? Someone please tell me what this is. I need to know. And then there are coffee cups. If you like drinking coffee, you could take this. Pretty cool. And here's another very cool thing. There's an Etch-a-Sketch. You can write on it. Yeah, I'm not gonna try that. And you can also erase stuff. Okay, so the next thing you could give to your dad is this aluminum wallet. It can store 10 cards, and it has the thing that can't let other people get your card number and steal all your money. This cane walker should be out here. And I think this is one of the last things. Oh yeah, this is for the cane. This is one of the last things. There's something else, but this is almost the last. This is a flashlight and a laser pointer. A flashlight, it has a flashlight. You can't see it right now because it's light. A laser pointer, a pen, and a pen that you can use for your phone. Pretty cool. And lastly, we have AirPods. Yeah, this thing connects to your phone and you can listen through this. They're pretty cool for just 10 punch cards. Also, there's this thing, but I don't know what it is, so I'm not really gonna say anything about it. Okay, that's all that's in this box. Thank you for listening.
Okay, now we're back. Thanks, Abir. That was awesome. Some of the stuff, you know, it might not be awesome, but there's going to be something in there for sure that you're going to like. This is going to be worth your 10 punch cards. So next up is we have our estimating jar. We've been calling it guessing jar on the labels, but we want to emphasize that this isn't, you're not just guessing. You should be using some logic, maybe some estimation, maybe count some things and estimate how many things are in there, maybe even using math. So from now on, we're going to be calling this estimating jar. We're going to be putting thought into it and some logic and math, not just guessing a random number. So this one's a bunch of mini marshmallows in a really cool jar. And it turns out that the actual number for this one this month was 462, which we're not going to do number of the month just because we don't have time. But 462, think about it, there's a 4 and a 2 on the outsides, and you add them together, you get the 6 in the middle, multiple of 11. Bam! 42 times 11. We could talk about 42 as well, but that's enough of that. Our winner for this is Sydney Moore. We had all sorts of guesses, and a lot of people came pretty close, but Sydney Moore, she guessed 459, so she was only 3 away from 462. Awesome job, Sydney. You are the winner of the guessing jar. And that leads us to our final fun event. And I'm clearing some space over here for our favorite other center director, Jennifer. Yay!
Hello.
Jennifer's here putting away Christmas presents, Christmas decorations. She's gonna help me out here. This is the fun part. We're gonna dump all these in here. Ta-da. Oops, don't wanna miss this. That over there.
You know, some of you have been saving up your raffle tickets with the idea to put them in all at once. December would have been the month to play because we had a lot of students on vacation. So
not a lot going on in here.
Higher chance of winning this month if you're smart enough to put them all in this month. Kudos to you. Let's see.
First place,
First place winner gets a $100 bill.
$100 bill.
Let's keep the ones in the bottom.
Now you just look for the good one.
Elena Wang. Elena,
Wang,
congratulations.
$100 bill.
Real money. Cool.
Yeah. It's first runner up.
First runner up.
Gonna get 25 punch card coupon.
Tayseer.
Tayseer.
Tayseer, I just tidied your binder for you. It's in better condition.
And second runner up, another name for third place.
For 10 punch
10
cards.
punch cards. Dun, da, da.
Sahana Fleischman.
Sahana,
Congratulations,
yay.
Sahana. 10 punch cards.
We'll keep all those nice and straight. And that's it. We're gonna say bye-bye.
Happy New Year.
Bye. Have a great month.